Hello, I'm Kenny Howell. I am a candidate for Johnson County Commissioner Precinct 2. I am a lifelong resident of Johnson County and a graduate of Burleson High School. I am married to my lovely wife Tana, and she and I have 4 grown children and 5 grandchildren. I have a very deep interest in all 3 of the major cities that lie within Precinct 2. For 29 years, I have owned and operated Howell Trucking and Construction out of Burleson, Texas. My wife and I own Co-ed Cuts in Joshua, Texas, and we have our oldest son and his wife and their 2 children live and work and attend school in Godley. My platform for this county is very simple. I want to provide better leadership for this county. I certainly want to provide better stewardship of the taxpayers' dollars, and I want to provide a much better vision of the future of our county. But I cannot do this without you. I need your help. I need you to please show up May 29th at the Republican primary and vote Kenny Howell, County Commissioner, Precinct 2. Thank you so much.